The second sex is one of the few works of feminist theory that's a genuine household name. So you might be surprised to learn that a complete translation of the book into English was only published for the first time in 2011. And the standard translation until then was done in 1953 by a retired professor of zoology without a working knowledge of Beauvoir's philosophical vocabulary. In this class, we're going to study this long overdue edition of The Second Sex in order both to encounter the text on its own terms and also as it marks a crucial moment where the question of woman enters philosophical discourse. And when I say the question of woman, I don't mean some sort of abstraction. Quite literally, Beauvoir's question, her starting point in The Second Sex, is what she calls stating the problem. What is a woman? In the second half of the class, we're going to look at French feminist thought in the wake of Beauvoir. At figures who are primarily associated with post-structuralism rather than existentialism. Figures like Julia Kristeva, Luce Irigaray, Hélène Cixous, and more. And throughout the course, we're going to talk about the categories of the feminine and of the other, about the question of sexual difference and what it might mean to theorize two sexually different subjects rather than one ostensibly universal subject, about the relationship of sexual difference to other kinds of difference, including race, class, and sexual orientation, about whether there's such a thing as a distinctly female or feminine type of writing, and about what it means to write philosophy as a woman.